Learn Hindi fast. Yes, no, perhaps in.
हाँ, नहीं,
And.
शायद.
Welcome to Tiny Words, Big Drama. Hey, you are about to learn 3 tiny Hindi words that can run an entire conversation. And yes, one of them can also save you from agreeing to help someone move furniture. Today your stars are.
हाँ,
For yes.
नहीं,
For no, and.
शायद.
For perhaps. These are small words, but they are powerful. One opens doors, one closes doors, and one stands at the door thinking about life. Meet the 3 heroes. Let's meet your new vocabulary like they are characters in a comedy. Say each one out loud with me. First hero.
हाँ,
It means yes. Imagine a happy nod, a green light, and someone offering you mango ice cream. Your mouth says,
हाँ,
before your brain even arrives. Second hero.
नहीं,
It means no. Think of a firm head shake, a red stop sign, or a friend asking, want to wake up at 5 a.m. for jogging, and your soul answering.
नहीं,
Third hero.
शायद.
It means perhaps. This is the word of cloudy skies, mystery plans, and people who text, I'm leaving now, while still in pajamas.
शायद.
A very serious parrot. Now imagine a parrot that learned exactly 3 Hindi words and became way too confident. This bird is not qualified, but it is enthusiastic. A woman asks the parrot, do you want a cracker? The parrot puffs up and says,
हाँ,
then she asks, will you do my taxes? The parrot, with the same confidence, says,
हाँ,
terrible decision. A cat walks by and asks, can I borrow your cage? The parrot screams,
नहीं,
sensible. Later, the owner asks, will it rain today? The parrot looks at the sky, looks at the window, looks deep into the mystery of existence, and whispers,
शायद.
congratulations. You now speak as much Hindi as this dramatic parrot. Useful everyday lines. Let's make these words practical right away. You do not need long speeches to sound useful. Yes, I understand. In Hindi, start with
हाँ,
You can remember it as the warm, agreeing word. No, I do not agree. In Hindi, begin with
नहीं,
It sounds clear and firm. Perhaps it will rain today. In Hindi, the key word is
शायद.
It carries uncertainty. If someone asks, are you coming? You can answer with just one word.
हाँ, नहीं,
Or
शायद.
3 words, endless social possibilities. Mini dialogue challenge. Now listen and answer in your head, or out loud if you enjoy confusing the people around you. A. Do you agree? B.
हाँ,
A. Can I eat your fries? B.
नहीं,
Very important survival Hindi. A. Will the bus arrive on time? B.
शायद.
A. Is the answer yes? B.
हाँ,
A. Is the answer no? B.
नहीं,
A. Do you know where my other sock is? B.
शायद.
Or maybe the washing machine has secrets. Memory tricks that stick. Let's glue these words into your memory with quick images. The stranger the image, the better. 4.
हाँ,
Imagine a giant glowing green sign over your door. It opens only when you nod and say,
हाँ,
4.
नहीं,
Picture a huge red stop sign blocking the way. It says,
नहीं,
4.
शायद.
Imagine a floating question mark cloud over your head. It drifts around saying,
शायद.
so your brain gets this map. Green light is,
हाँ,
red stop is,
नहीं,
and foggy cloud is.
शायद.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a tiny quiz. No grades, no pressure, no dramatic music. Well, maybe dramatic music. What is the Hindi word for yes?
हाँ,
What is the Hindi word for no?
नहीं,
What is the Hindi word for perhaps?
शायद,
Which word means the opposite of?
हाँ, नहीं,
Which word means maybe, not yes and not no?
शायद,
Friendly conclusion. You did it. 3 words learned, 3 words ready to travel with you into real Hindi conversations. Today you practiced.
हाँ,
For yes.
नहीं,
For no, and.
शायद.
For perhaps. Thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating them out loud, use them in little daily situations, and come back for another round of Hindi practice soon. You are doing great.